Good morning students, welcome to Maths class. Today we are going to see about partly factored polynomials. So last class we have seen exercise 3.3 problems and we have seen some properties. So today we are going to see partly factored polynomials. Quartic polynomial equations of the form. So quartic polynomials means what? Degree 4. So we know that if a polynomial equation having degree 4 is called what? Quartic polynomial equation. So here quartic polynomial equations of the form ax plus b into cx plus d into px plus q into rx plus s plus k equal to 0. This is what? Partly factored polynomials. Partly factored polynomials what? Ax plus b into cx plus d into px plus q into rx plus s plus k equal to 0, where k not equal to 0, which can be rewritten in the form alpha x square plus beta x plus lambda into alpha x square plus beta x plus mu plus k equal to 0. So here we have to note this. You see that coefficient of x square alpha and coefficient of x is what? Beta. Here also coefficient of x square is what? Alpha and coefficient of x is what? Beta. So here we have four linear polynomials. What are they? Ax plus b, cx plus d, px plus q and rx plus s. Suppose if you multiply these two polynomials ax plus b into cx plus d, we are getting what? Alpha x square plus beta x plus lambda, and px plus q rx plus s. If you multiply these two polynomials, these two linear polynomials, we will get what? Alpha x square plus beta x plus mu. So what we have to note that here the coefficient of x square and x must be same. The coefficient of x square and x must be same in both the quadratic polynomials. So like that we have to select. So this is what? Partly factored polynomials. Let us see one example. See that x minus 2 into x minus 7 into x minus 3 into x plus 2 plus 19 equal to 0. What are they? X minus 2 into x minus 7 into x minus 3 into x plus 2 plus 19 equal to 0. So we have to select two linear polynomials or linear equation, so that we have to get what? X square term, x term in our no, same or no. So I take x minus 2 into x minus 3 and x minus 7 into x plus 2 plus 19 equal to 0. So take these two, x into x, x square, x into minus 3, minus 3x, minus 2 into x, minus 2x, minus into minus, plus 2 3s are 6. And next to x into x, x square, x into 2, 2x, minus 7 into x, minus 7x, minus into plus, minus 7 2s are 14 plus 19 equal to 0. So here the first quadratic polynomial x square minus 3x minus 2x minus 5x plus 6 into, and second one x square minus 7x plus 2x, it is minus 5x minus 14 plus 19 equal to 0. See that here the coefficient of x square and x, the coefficient of x square is what? 1, here also 1, and coefficient of x is what? Minus 5, here also minus 5. So like that we have to bring it in the form, then we can solve the equation. So what is partly factored polynomials? Like this. So every polynomial is in the form of what? Linear equations. What is linear equation? Whose degree is what? See that here highest power of x is what? 1. So ax plus b into cx plus d into px plus q into rx plus s plus k equal to 0. This is what? Partly factored polynomials. Now exercise 3.4, first question, first part. Solve x minus 5 into x minus 7 into x plus 6 into x plus 4 equal to 504. This is what? Partly factored polynomials. Of course it is what? Quartic polynomial. So first we will take any two of the linear equation I take x minus 5 into x plus 4 and x minus 7 into x plus 6. If I take like this only, we get what? The same x square term and the same x term. So I take x minus 5 into x plus 4 and x minus 7 into x plus 6. This plus 504. When it comes to left hand side, it is minus 504 equal to 0. So multiply x into x, x square, x into 4, 4x, minus 5 into x, minus 5x, minus into plus, minus 5 4s are 20. And here x into x, x square, x into 6, 6x, minus 7 into x, minus 7x, minus into plus, minus 7 6 are 42 and minus 504 equal to 0. So now x square plus 4x minus 5x, it is minus x and minus 20 into x square plus 6x minus 7x, it is minus x minus 42 minus 504 equal to 0. So now we can see this x square term, x term. Here the coefficient of x square 1, here also 1. And coefficient of x is what? Minus 1. Here also minus 1. Here we don't bother about constant term. Okay. So we'll take x square minus x equal to y. So if you take like this, what will you get? This x square minus x, we can write this as what? Y minus 20 into, here also x square minus x, we can write it as what? Y. So y minus 42 minus 504 equal to 0. Y minus 20 into y minus 42 minus 504 equal to 0. So again we can multiply y into y, y square, y into minus 42, minus 42y, minus 20 into y, minus 20y, minus into minus, plus 42 into 2 is what? 84. So 42 into 20, 840, minus 504 equal to 0. So y square minus 42y minus 20y, it is minus 62y, 840 minus 504, it is 336 equal to 0. So now we have to factorize this quadratic polynomials. How we have to factorize? Take the coefficient of y square, multiply with the constant term. So coefficient of y square 1 and constant term 336. So 1 into 336 is 336 and coefficient of y minus 62. Appo multiply panna 336, add panna minus 62. So what is the possibility? I take minus 56 into minus 6. Minus 56 into minus 6. Because what? Minus into minus plus 56 into 6. We'll check that. 56 into 6. 6 6 are 36. Keeping 3. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 3. 33. About 56 into 6. 336. So minus into minus plus 56 into 6. 336. Minus 56 you minus 60 add panna. Minus 62. The factors are y minus 56 into y minus 6 equal to 0. But what is the value of y? We have taken as what? Y is equal to x square minus x. So we can replace this. So y minus 56 into y minus 6 equal to 0. So we can replace x square minus x minus 56 because the value of y is what? X square minus x and x square minus x minus 6 equal to 0. So now again we are getting two quadratic polynomials. I take the first one, x square minus x minus 56 equal to 0. So factorize this. Take the coefficient of x square, multiply with the constant term minus 56 because 1 into minus 56 minus 56 and coefficient of x is what? Minus 1. So 8 7s are 56 minus 8. Minus into plus minus 8 sevens are 56. Minus 8 plus 7, it is minus 1. So x minus 8 into x plus 7 equal to 0. X minus 8 equal to 0. X is equal to 8. And x plus 7 equal to 0. X is equal to minus 7. So we found the two roots of the polynomials. Again, next quadratic polynomial is what? X square minus x minus 6 equal to 0. So factorize this. Take the coefficient of x square, multiply with the constant term. 1 into minus 6, and coefficient of x is what? Minus 1. So minus 3 into 2 is minus 6, minus 3 plus 2, minus 1. So the factors are x minus 3 into x plus 2 equal to 0, x minus 3 equal to 0, x is equal to 3, and x plus 2 equal to 0, x is equal to minus 2. Therefore, the roots are 8, minus 7, 3 and minus 2 for the given quartic polynomials. Exercise 3.4, first question, second part, x minus 4 into x minus 7 into x minus 2 into x plus 1 equal to 16. So this is what? Partly factored polynomials. Quartic polynomials what? Degree 4. I'll take x minus 4 into x minus 2, x minus 7 into x plus 1 minus 16 equal to 0. So I can rewrite this. Now if you multiply x into x, x square, x into minus 2, minus 2x, minus 4 into x, minus 4x, minus into minus plus, 4 2s are 8. And next x into x, x square, x into 1, x, minus 7 into x, minus 7x, minus into plus, minus 7 1s are 7, minus 16 equal to 0. Minus 16 equal to 0. So x square minus 2x minus 4x minus 6x plus 8 into x square plus x minus 7x minus 6x minus 7 minus 16 equal to 0. So ipo paarenga inga x squared coefficient 1, ange x squared coefficient 1, x oda coefficient minus 6, x oda coefficient minus 6. So we don't bother about the constant term. So now I can replace x square minus 6x is equal to what? Y. So when you replace x square minus 6x is equal to y, you will get what? Y plus 8 into y minus 7 minus 16 equal to 0. So y into y, y square, then y into minus 7, minus 7y, 8 into y, 8y, plus into minus, minus 8 7s are 56 and minus 16 equal to 0. So y square minus 7y plus 8y minus 56 minus 16 equal to 0. So y square minus 7y plus 8y, it is plus 1y minus 56 minus 16. So 50 plus 10, 60, 66, 72. So minus 72 equal to 0. Y square plus y minus 72 equal to 0. Y square plus y minus 72 equal to 0. So now we have to factorize this. How we have to factorize this? Take the coefficient of y square, multiply with the constant term. 1 into minus 72, and coefficient of y is what? 1. So multiply panna minus 72, add panna 1. So I'll take 9 8s are 72, plus into minus, 9 8s are 72, 9 minus 8 is plus 1. So our factors are y plus 9 into y minus 8 equal to 0. So y plus 9 equal to 0. I'll take the first factor. So but what is the value of y? X square minus 6x. So x square minus 6x plus 9 equal to 0. Again you can factorize this. Take the coefficient of x square, multiply with the constant term. So 1 into 9, 9, and coefficient of x is what? Minus 6. Multiply panna plus 9, add panna minus 6. I'll take minus 3 into minus 3. Minus into minus plus, 3 3s are 9. Minus 3 add panna minus 6. So the factors are x minus 3 into x minus 3 equal to 0. So x minus 3 equal to 0, x is equal to 3, x minus 3 equal to 0, x is equal to 3. So we found the two roots. What are they? 3 and 3. So next we will take this y minus 8 equal to 0. So we found the two roots, x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 3. So we have that y plus 9 into y minus 8 equals 0. So y plus 9 we have found the two roots, x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 3. So now we will take y minus 8 equal to 0. But what is the value of y? X square minus 6x. So x square minus 6x minus 8 equal to 0. So factorize this. Take the coefficient of x square, multiply with the constant term. So minus 8 and minus 6. Multiply panna minus 8, add panna minus 6. So we don't have any possibilities. We can use quadratic formula. What is quadratic formula? Coefficient of x square a 1, coefficient of x b minus 6, and constant term c is what? Minus 8. What is quadratic formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. So what is quadratic formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. The value of b is what? Minus 6. So add your minus 6. Minus of minus 6 plus 6 plus or minus square root of b square minus 6 square minus 4 into the value of a is what? 1, and the value of c is what? Minus 8 whole divided by 2a. So 2 into 1. So x is equal to 6 plus or minus square root of minus 6 square 36 minus into minus plus 4 ones are 4, 4 8s are 32 by 2. So 6 plus or minus square root of 68, 36 plus 2, 68 by 2. 36 plus 32 is what? 68. This I can write as 6 plus or minus 17 4s are 17 into 4 by 2. So 6 plus or minus square root of 4 is what? 2, and square root of 17 only, so 2. So here I take 2 as common, so 2 into 3, 6, 2 into square root of 17, it is 2 square root of 17 by 2. So 2 will be cancelled, so remaining is what? 3 plus or minus square root of 17, another 3 plus square root of 17 and 3 minus square root of 17. Therefore, the roots are 3 plus or minus square root of 17. So these are our 4 roots. Exercise 3.4, second question. Solve 2x minus 1 into x plus 3 into x minus 2 into 2x plus 3 plus 20 equal to 0. What is this? This is partly factored polynomials. Of course, it is what? Quartic polynomials. What is quartic polynomials? Degree is what? 4. So நம்ம என்ன பண்ணனும்? இந்த 4 linear equation எடுக்கணும். So அதெல்லாம் பண்ணனும் ரெண்டு ரூட் எடுங்க, so that we can get the coefficient of x square and the coefficient of x is what? Same. So for that I take 2x minus 1 into 2x plus 3 and x plus 3 into x minus 2 plus 20 equal to 0. So take 2x, multiply with 2x, 2 2s are 4, x into x, x square. Then take 2x, multiply with 3, 2 into 3, 6, 6 into x, 6x. Then minus 1 into 2x, minus 2x, minus into plus, minus 1, 3 is 3. And second one, x into x, x square, x into minus 2, minus 2x, 3 into x, 3x, 3 into minus 2, minus 6, plus 20 equal to 0. So 4x square, 6x minus 2x, it is 4x minus 3 into x square minus 2x plus 3x, minus 2x plus 3x, so it is plus x minus 6 plus 20 equal to 0. So here in the coefficient of x square and coefficient of x, I take 4 as common, so that I can get what? X square plus x minus 3 into x square plus x minus 6 plus 20 equal to 0. So in the 4 மறந்துருங்க. இப்ப பாரு x squared coefficient 1, இங்க x squared coefficient 1, இங்க x ஓட coefficient 1, இங்க x ஓட coefficient 1. So we can replace x square plus x is equal to y. So put x square plus x is equal to y, so that we can get 4 into x square plus x is what? Y minus 3 into here x square plus x is what? Y minus 6 plus 20 equal to 0. So what is that? 4y minus 3 into y minus 6 plus 20 equal to 0. So multiply these two factors, 4y into y, 4y square plus into minus, minus 4 6 are 24, 24 into y is what? 24y. Then minus into 3y, minus 3y, minus into minus plus 3 6 are 18 plus 20 equal to 0. So 4y square minus 24y minus 3y minus 27y plus 18 plus 20 plus 38 equal to 0. So now we have to factorize this quadratic polynomial. How we have to factorize? Take the coefficient of y square, multiply with the constant term. So 4 into 38, 152, and coefficient of y is what? Minus 27. அப்போ multiply பண்ணா plus 152, add பண்ணா minus 27. Minus 19 into minus 8. Minus into minus plus 19 into 8. 9 8s are 72, keeping 7, 1 8 is 8, 8 plus 7, 15. So minus 19 into minus 8 is what? Minus into minus plus 19 into 8 is what? 152, minus 19, minus 8, add panna, minus 27. But what is the coefficient of y square? 4. So we have to divide by 4. So minus 19 by 4 and minus 8 by 4. So minus 19 by 4, minus 8 by 4 is what? Minus 2. So the factors are y minus 19 by 4 into y minus 2 equal to 0. So what are they? Y minus 19 by 4 into y minus 2 equal to 0. So the factors are y minus 19 by 4 into y minus 2 equal to 0. But what is the value of y? X square plus x. So replace that. X square plus x minus 19 by 4 and x square plus x minus 2 equal to 0. So we take the first one, x square plus x minus 19 by 4 equal to 0. So here you cross multiply. If you cross multiply, we get 4x square plus 4x minus 19 whole divided by 4 equal to 0. In the division for answer panano, multiple 4 I. So 4x square plus 4x minus 19 equal to 4 into 0 is what? 0. So 4x square plus 4x minus 19 equal to 0. So take coefficient of x square, multiply with the constant term. So 4 into 19. So minus 76. And coefficient of x is what? 4. Appo multiply panna minus 76, add panna 4. So we don't have any possibility. So for that we can use what? Quadratic formula. So what is our equation? 4x square plus 4x minus 19 equal to 0. Coefficient of x square a, so 4. Coefficient of x is b, again 4, and c is what? Minus 19. What is quadratic formula? Minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. So minus b minus 4 plus or minus square root of b square 4 square 16 minus 4 into the value of a is what? 4, and the value of c is what? Minus 19 by 2 into a. So 2 into 4. So minus 4 plus or minus square root of 16 minus into plus minus minus into minus plus. So 16 4 4s are 16, 16 into 19. It is 304 by 2 4s are 8. So minus 4 plus or minus square root of 16 plus 304 by 8. So minus 4 plus or minus 16 plus 304, 320. So minus 4 plus or minus square root of 320 whole divided by 8. So x is equal to minus 4 plus or minus square root of 320 by 8. This 320 we can write as what? 64 into 5. So minus 4 plus or minus square root of 64 into 5 whole divided by 8. So minus 4 plus or minus square root of 64 is what? 8, and square root of 5 is what? Square root of 5 by 8. So here I will take 4 as common. So 4 into minus 1, minus 4. Then 4 into 2 square root of 5 is what? It is 8 square root of 5 whole divided by 8. So I can cancel 4. 1 4 is 4. 2 4s are 8. Therefore our roots are minus 1 plus or minus 2 into square root of 5 whole divided by 2. What is our second factor? Y minus 2 equal to 0. But what is the value of y? X square plus x. So x square plus x minus 2 equal to 0. Factorize this. Take the coefficient of x square, multiply with the constant term. So 1 into minus 2, and coefficient of x is what? 1. So multiply panna minus 2, add panna plus 1. So 2 into minus 1, minus 2, 2 minus 1, it is plus 1. So the factors are x plus 2 into x minus 1 equal to 0. X plus 2 equal to 0, x is equal to minus 2. X minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. So again we got the two roots. X is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to 1. So since the given polynomial is quadratic polynomial, we must get 4 roots. Therefore the roots are minus 1 plus or minus 2 square root of 5 by 2 and minus 2 1.